Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for some help in hitting goals or in organizing your schedule better or just in planning better? I was. This is a 52-week planner that is not dated. So this is exactly what I needed because I don't like the pressure of a planner that already has the dates in it, because if I fail to start when the planner is dated, then I feel like I just missed an opportunity and I find it really discouraging. So something as simple as a date already on my planner or my calendar can be discouraging to me when I'm trying to reach goals. I love the fact that you can start this anytime and date it yourself. It has a habit tracker, a to-do list, a weekly focus section, and a weekly goal section. That's all on one side. And on the other side, it splits up the week so you have space to put everything from Monday through Friday. And then of course on the weekend, you can write down what you want to get done. It's large enough for me, it's convenient for me, and I just think the color is lovely as well. The fact that it is spiral bound means that it's going to stay open for me when I need it to, so it's easier for me to write in it. I've just found this little planner to be such a great assistant to me. I feel like I'm going to reach my goals. I'm going to be able to see progress. I have a habit tracker. I have a weekly focus section. It's just little things like that that make this really useful and meaningful for me. But it's not too large or too thick. I'm able to fit it in my purse. So I'm definitely going to take it everywhere with me. And I love the fact that it stays open flat because of that spiral binding. So if you need a little help reaching your goals or just a little less pressure when you're planning, then you might find this non-dated weekly planner exactly what you need to. And that is my point of view.